what is the Catholic Church about the Immaculate Conception? Is it true that uh, all people have fallen short of the glory of God, as what Saint Paul said, or perhaps there's something we don't see here as
Mhm.
ordinary Catholics?
So when we say Immaculate Conception with regards to the Mary, it's concerning her birth. So when Mary was born from the womb of Saint Anne, it is the church believes that Mary was immaculately conceived. So that means that apart from all other people, Mary is a person who was not stained. So hindi siya nabahiran in Tagalog by original sin, yung kasalanan ng original. Now, what is the logic behind this? So for example, kung titignan natin sa isang analogy, ah 'di ba kapag meron kang perpektong kape, the perfect coffee. Kapag meron kang perpektong kape, kailangan mo ng perpektong lalagyan. The perfect coffee needs the perfect cup. So parang kapag kunwari yung cup na yon ay may sira, may pingas, 'di ba no? Yung hindi siya maayos. So parang it also affects kung paano natin nakikita yung kape. Na parang hindi nagiging buo yung experience natin ng kape dahil may problem tayo dun sa lalagyan. It's the same case with Mary and Jesus. The reason why Mary needs to be immaculate conceived because she is the perfect vessel. She needs to be the perfect vessel for the perfect being. Kung sinasabi natin ang Diyos, that God, that Jesus is the perfect being as God, so that means that the vessel also needs to be perfect. So that brings us to our understanding that when we say that Mary was immaculately conceived, it was part of God's plan in order for Jesus to come into the world. Because if not, so how are we going to treat Jesus? Jesus supposed to be the perfect being, so he comes from the perfect vessel.